Hey fans, you got Chico here with you, trading call options. What a ridiculous week, ridiculous times. Our president announcing these wild and significant universal tariffs, tanking the whole stock market. I mean, how can anybody in a position like that do something like this? You know, even if you have good intentions, you can't have these kind of like fast changes and make a lot of winners and losers. In this case, a lot of losers. So, not great. For us, on the opposite end of the spectrum, we did have a good week. Beginning of the week before the tariffs were announced, we made a play on Shopify. We sold a contract, and that was profitable. So after the tariffs got announced, we closed that out, bought it back to close it out, and we opened another contract for Shopify, you know, to take advantage of the situation. And the reason that I picked Shopify before the tariffs was I thought it was one of those stocks that if there was any kind of announcement about tariffs, and I believe there was, like there was good chance of it, I was not expecting it to be so like everybody else. I did not expect it to be such significance that Shopify would be more sensitive to it. So that's why we picked Shopify. And sure enough, we made money off it. But then after the tariffs, we we went for it again. We picked a strike price that was closer to the trading price if you look back at the videos. And again, that translated to making money off that play. In addition to that, in parallel, after the tariffs were announced, also made a play for Tesla since they have so much stuff hanging over their heads still with their sales, Elon's image. Decided to open a contract on that because during uncertainty, what's added to more uncertainty, that's a recipe for a stock not to go anywhere. And certainly it did not. So that was a very good piece of profit that we made off that play. And then on Friday, after the market slid, we closed out the Tesla position and we opened another Tesla position. So all in all, in the week, we made 4 plays on 2 stocks, and it's 100% profits for us, like 100% success rate to make profits for us. And we made about $685. So that's good. From here on, we can still make cover calls or naked call options. Basically, again, in this videos, I'm just want to show you how to make money by selling these call options and making money off the premium. It's up to you if you want to use cover calls or naked calls to make money. Of course, cover calls, it's typically you have the stock or you buy it for the long term, and you might as well make some money in that case while owning the stock. Naked calls, you don't have to worry about the downside. You don't have the stock. It is higher risk. So, but the good thing is if it goes down, then you don't have to worry about holding the stock if there wasn't any interest in it. Okay, anyways, that was discussed in previous videos, especially the first one. So from here, I think we got a big black cloud hang over the U.S. economy, the world economy, and I don't know, like, what it will take to get rid of this cloud. And I think the stock market from here, we can say, is substantially going to be moving sideways and downwards. There might be a lot more downside, but Donald Trump is very unpredictable, and we don't know if he'll do anything and within his powers to bring the markets back. But he's playing this dangerous game, and he doesn't seem to show any sympathy for a market that's going down. Okay, let's quickly go over the spreadsheet here. So here's the week for March 31st to April 4th. We sold a contract for Shopify at the beginning of the week for $1.21, and we bought it back out to close at 3 cents, so that was a profit of $118. Next, on the April 3rd, we did one for Tesla and Shopify.
Tesla was at $2.99 a contract. Shopify was 99 cents a contract, and then we closed. We bought to close out the Tesla for 8 cents, so that was a profit of $2.91. Shopify contract, we let it go into expiration on Friday, so that was just a profit of $99. And then on Friday, we also made one last minute play where we sold the contract near the strike price, or relatively closer to the strike price for $1.77, and also that was successful. So that made us $177 as that contract went into expiration, and it was stayed out of the money. So we had a perfect 4 for 4 week, and total profits for the first week of April is $685. And again, we started with $40,000 this month as our budget.
Stick around and follow me, and we'll try and keep on making money for the rest of the month, just like we did in the past 2 months, and break some new records maybe. Like, subscribe, catch you next time.